In this lecture, I am going to discuss about the grades of cement and their various applications in the field of civil engineering. Cement is a binding material that sets, hardens and sticks to other materials to bind them together. This material is widely used in construction field to bind sand and aggregate together. When mixed with fine aggregates or sand, it produces mortar for masonry, and when it's mixed with coarse aggregates, it produces concrete, which is believed to be the most consumed resource on earth after water. The base of every construction depends upon the composition of its ingredients that are used in making the construction possible. One of the most important ingredient is cement, and the strength of which is directly proportional to the strength of concrete or mortar. Hence, before choosing the cement for constructing your dream projects, you should be aware about the grades of cement. Depending upon the compressive strength, cement is classified into three groups, that is 33, 43 and 53 grade of cement. Now the question arises, what is 33, 43 and 53? These numbers indicate the compressive strength of cement cube in Newton per mm square after 28 days of curing, where each side of cement mold is taken as 70.6 mm. The grade of cement is determined on the basis of compressive strength achieved after 28 days. For calculating the compressive strength, cement mortar is prepared in the mix ratio of 1:3, in which one part of cement is mixed with 3 parts of fine aggregates or sand with adequate quantity of water. After preparing the mortar, cubes having each side 70.6 mm are made from this mortar. These cubes are then vibrated properly for around 2 minutes. The purpose of this is to reduce the number of voids present in the paste. Before placing these casted cubes in the compression testing machine, we need to make sure there should not be any cracks or shrinkage developed in these cubes. Generally, we need to prepare 3 number of cubes. The cube tests are performed after 3 days, 7 days and 28 days. That is, cube 1 is tested after 3 days, cube 2 after 7 days and the third cube is tested after a period of 28 days. The cube made of 33 grade should give a compressive strength of 16 Newton per mm square after 3 days, 22 Newton per mm square after 7 days and 33 Newton per mm square after 28 days. To make it easy for you, I have prepared this table in which I have shown the different grades of cement with corresponding compressive strengths in 3, 7 and 28 days. 33 grade will have a compressive strength of 16 Newton per mm square after 3 days, 22 Newton per mm square after 7 days and 33 Newton per mm square after 28 days. The 43 grade will have a compressive strength of 23 Newton per mm square after 3 days, 33 Newton per mm square after 7 days and 43 Newton per mm square after a period of 28 days. The 53 grade will achieve a compressive strength of 27 Newton per mm square after 3 days, 37 Newton per mm square after 7 days and 53 Newton per mm square after a period of 28 days. The various IS codes used for each grade of cement are IS 269 for 33 grade, IS 8112 for 43 grade, IS 12269 for 53 grade. Among all the grades, the 53 grade of cement releases heat of hydration at a much faster rate in comparison to 33 and 43 grade of cement. Therefore, it increases the chances of cracks in concrete. Heat of hydration is released as soon as cement is mixed with water. Hence, 53 grade should be used only in good supervision and where proper precautions are taken to reduce the higher heat of hydration through proper curing. Now, let's discuss the various applications of each grade of cement. The 33 grade is a rarely used grade nowadays. This grade is suitable for preparing low strength concrete grades below M20 grade. 33 grade of cement is used in low strength concrete such as parapet walls and compound walls. 43 grade of cement is suitable for PCC works, that is plain cement concrete works, and plastering, and it is commonly used for RCC works up to M30 grade. This grade is used in plastering works, tiling works, flooring, pathways, finishing works of bridges and water retaining structures. The 53 grade of cement is suitable for RCC works above M30 grade. This grade is used for casting high strength concrete structural members like beams, columns, slabs and footings. This grade is suitable for constructing high-rise buildings, industrial buildings, precast concrete works, prestressed structures like bridges, slabs, concrete pavements, runways, etc. So this was all about this lecture. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in future. Thank you.